News title: Custom AI deployed by Ukraine in battle, a game-changing milestone for modern warfare. TLDR, Ukraine's homegrown artificial intelligence, AI, system has given it a surprising edge in its conflict with Russia. Using the country's AI platform, engineers have effectively leveraged drone technology, computer vision, and other advanced features to counter a formidable opponent. It underlines the growing significance of AI in contemporary warfare and raises intriguing questions about the future of global defense strategies. In an era where technological prowess increasingly defines battlefield outcomes, Ukraine has emerged as a pioneer. The country has effectively deployed its custom-built artificial intelligence (AI) platform in its ongoing conflict with Russia, leveraging its capabilities under extraordinarily challenging circumstances. Despite the Goliath-like resources of their adversary, Ukraine's digital David is setting a new standard in AI-aided warfare. "This battlefield innovation is out of this world," commented an anonymous source within Ukraine. This rapid progression of AI technology is reportedly leaving Western governments in the dust, with their innovations struggling to keep up with the pace set by Ukraine's homegrown platforms. AI's under-the-radar role in boosting Ukraine's battle performance against a larger and seemingly more potent adversary presents a stark revelation. It exhibits how the intersection of technology and strategy can shift the power dynamics on the global stage. But what does this imply for the future of warfare? Ukraine's war scenario has emerged as a unique testing ground for AI. National Defense magazine referred to it as unprecedented, especially due to the widespread use of drones and AI-enhanced capabilities in flight, targeting, and firing. The country's decision to develop its own AI platform, enabling it to customize the system to specific requirements, appears to be a key factor in its recent successes. The self-developed platform, which started to take form around mid-2022 and was fully deployed by year's end, has been continually enhanced. With their control over the platform, Ukrainian engineers have been able to manage the flow of information and avoid sending the wrong type of data to commercial entities. The AI platform's applications have been extensive. From leveraging computer vision through a vast network of CCTV cameras and monitoring infrastructure to improving the targeting and efficacy of guided laser bombs, Ukraine has significantly enhanced its military's capabilities. How did they manage all of this, one might ask? The most impressive feat that Ukraine accomplished through its AI development was the fact that the engineers did all of this on a fraction of the budget that American companies have used, says an insider source. Their solution was an IT army of 250,000 participants pulled together when the war started, with willing and skilled individuals, helping develop the technology and repair the equipment needed to wage the war and defend their homeland. This intensive period of fast-paced learning and innovation, born out of